Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you a very useful option to enable on Chrome that boosts your Chrome performance by 70% or more than that. Surprisingly, this will be very useful. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like and share it to others. And see here, I open lot of tabs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost 12 to 13 tabs I opened at a time because while working on the Chrome, without my consciousness also, I am opening the new tabs continuously and my Chrome performance is degrading because Chrome is taking up a lot of memory because these are also a bit active and Chrome is consuming the memory, so that overall my computer performance is degrading. So how you can stop this and boost your performance of the Chrome? There is a option on the updated version of the Chrome. You need to click on these three dots, then click on settings. No need to install any extension or any third party tools or something like that. There is a performance tab given by the Chrome itself. Okay, I don't know whether you have checked this or not, performance, and by default this option will be disabled. What is this? I'll read it for you. Memory saver. When this option is turned on, Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. These are all the inactive tabs. So this gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources. So the memory and the CPU won't be consumed by these idle tabs, so that overall performance will be increased. And also, for example, if there is a website which you want to make it run continuously, for that website you can just add it here so that it excludes from there. For example, studio.youtube.com, if you want to make it run continuously, excluding this option, so now only this site gets have the access to memory. All the other tabs or inactive tabs won't be consuming the memory. In this way you can boost your Chrome performance really good. And now if you'll feel the difference when this option is turned on, when this option is turned off. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like. And see here, I applied a beautiful this one theme as the background.